What is income protection insurance? Income protection insurance provides you with a regular income, which is paid out if you can't work due to an illness or injury. It is designed to replace up to 75% of your earned income if you're unable to work, and it can cover you right up until retirement age. Both self-employed people and people in full-time employment can take out income protection insurance, but it's important to know that it doesn't provide protection against redundancy or unemployment. Why is income protection insurance important? Your income is one of your biggest assets. It allows you to make your mortgage payments, to pay your bills, and to put food on the table. If you were unable to work and lost your income, how would you cope financially? The state disability benefit provides employed people with some money, but what about the shortfall? It would be bad enough to suffer from a long-term illness, but think how much worse it would be if you had financial worries on top of bad health. And for self-employed people and owner-directors of companies, income protection is even more important, as they aren't eligible for the same state sickness benefits as employees get. How much cover can I get? Typically, the maximum cover available is 75% of your annual income, less any disability benefit you would be entitled to receive from the state. The reason you can't insure any more than this is to make sure that there is no disincentive to return back to work when you return to good health. How much does income protection cost? The cost will depend on a range of factors, including your age, whether you smoke or not, and the type of work that you do. Some jobs are obviously more dangerous than others, and that's factored into the price. Someone like me, who works in an office, would be a pretty low risk. So the price would be lower for me versus someone who's a farm labourer or a steel fabricator, where there's a lot more manual work involved. Other occupations are excluded from cover altogether, such as asbestos workers or Gardaí, due to the higher risk levels. To find out if you can get cover and what it would cost you, you can get a personalised quote in minutes, comparing prices and policy benefits on Irishinsurance.ie or by calling us on 01-857-0655. What is a deferred period? A deferred period is the time between a valid claim and when the benefit payments commence. The length of the deferred period you choose has a significant influence on the cost of the policy. The longer the deferred period, the cheaper the policy will be. Companies offer deferred periods from 4, 8, 13, 26, or 52 weeks. When choosing the length of the deferred period, it's important to find out if your employer would pay you sick pay if you are unable to work, and how long they would pay that benefit for. For example, if your employer would pay you sick pay for 3 months, the 13-week deferral period may suit you best, as the payments would begin when your sick pay stops. What else should I consider when taking out income protection insurance? There are 2 pricing models for income protection: fixed guaranteed premiums and reviewable rate premiums. With fixed premiums, your monthly premium stays the same for the full term of the policy. Reviewable premiums tend to be cheaper initially. The premiums are guaranteed for the first 5 years, but are reviewed throughout the policy term. So the price you pay could increase over time. Irishinsurance.ie compare the coverage offered by the different insurance companies. For example, some companies exclude stress-related claims and others don't. So the cheapest price isn't necessarily the best value policy. Why choose Irishinsurance.ie? Irishinsurance.ie is an independent insurance broker comparing 6 of Ireland's biggest life insurance companies. We are completely transparent and will give you a report comparing the prices and benefits of all the companies. Our service is free of charge, and due to our size, Irishinsurance.ie can often negotiate additional discounts for you. If you want the best price and the best advice, visit Irishinsurance.ie or speak to one of our trained advisors on 01-857-0655.